Hey, what's up guys, in this video I am going to show you how to use multiple desktop features in Windows 11 for a better and organized working experience with the Task View app. And you will also find this app in Windows 10 operating system. But in Windows 11 you will get little bit improved version of this app. Well, let's see how it works. Now go to the taskbar below and you will find the app besides the search icon. Here it is. And if you click on this app, you will get a view like this. And you will find yourself in desktop on. And here you will get a summary of the opened apps on this desktop. You can easily open another desktop by clicking on this plus sign. You can also rename these desktops. Just right click on it. You can see several options here. These are the new features of Windows 11. Let's rename this first one like work. Now open another desktop. Maybe this desktop is for your leisure time. For instance, you like to watch some songs or movies. Or maybe you would like to play your favorite games. Now let's open the Task View app again. And rename the second desktop like entertainment. You can close any of this opened app from here. Well, I have skipped something important. Right click on desktop again. From here you can choose different backgrounds for each desktop. I am using the light one, the bright one for this entertainment desktop. And I have used the dark one for my working desktop, as you can see here. Well, you can open as many as desktop as you want. Maybe each of them for different projects if you really want to work on them simultaneously. Now let's see some additional features of this Task View app. Just right click on any of this opened app and you can see different functionality here. These are very useful features, like you can move an app from one desktop to another. You see, this app is now opened in entertainment desktop. Pretty cool, right? Now right click on an app again. You can organize your desktop by this snap right and snap left option, like this. No doubt this will give you a better and organized working experience. And if you click on this window in all desktops, then this window will be opened in all 4 desktops here. And the last one, show windows from this app on all desktops. I think you should try these 2 functions on your own. And let me know in the comment section that how is your experience working with this Task View app. Well, thank you so much guys for watching this video, and please subscribe my channel and just stay tuned.